Feel the future.
Yeah, it was really good, people. Welcome back. Axtuo is back. And I have this 2016 Kia Sportage with 97,000 miles. I'm going to show you how to do the front brakes. So stay tuned. Come on, let's get it. Axtuo. Shout outs to the supporters. Love you. No Diddy. Hey, yo. Come on, let's get it, man. Stop playing around. Cut. E. All right. First, we open the hood. Um, we're gonna locate the brake fluid reservoir. We're gonna leave it open. You can put the cap right there, whatever, It's up to you. Just leave the cap there. Whatever. Alright. If you don't know how to open the hood, come over here. Pull it once. Alright, that's how you open the hood. Alright. With this one, I got these screws. I wanna remove it with the impact screwdriver. Like so. There's two of them. One here, one here. Alright, turn it like so. 14, 14, 14 for the caliper bolts. I'll remove the caliper now, like so. We're gonna hang it. It's so goody. Let me remove the brake pads. There we go. Alright, 17 for the bracket. Remove the bracket, caliper bracket. Remove the rotor, like so. Let me put this back so I can clean it. There you go. Gucci. Alright. Nah. I'm gonna put the on purpose the rotor like that so I can clean it. I'll flip it. I like the holes on the screws. Like so. Clean it. Put the screw back that holds the rotor in position. No, not this one. This one didn't have it though. It's kind of rusty. If you ask me, it's okay if you don't put these screws though. But if you have it, you know. Damn, sorry. Alright, Gucci. This guy, I'm gonna brush it. This is the bracket. I mean, you get new hardware, your brake pad spots. This will come. Then you can reuse this. It's all good. They just gotta make sure this guy's sitting down. Light stuff. This one's kinda hard, so I wanna re-grease this. I should. Some brake lubricant. Like so. Gucci, not that much. That one's almost done. I'm gonna turn this. I'm on the mounted bracket now. Like so. Then tied it with a 17mm socket. Like so. Should be Gucci. I'm gonna push the piston back. That's fine. With a piston pusher. I think I paid like $50 for this one though. From Amazon. Get the job done instead of messing around with your wrist. The chain. It's good. What is this? OMT. OMT. This one's ready. I'm gonna put some brake lubricant here in the piston. Right here. Goody. That's where the brake pad touch. Right there. This guy was a little bit hard. Pulse. The turn. It's gonna be 17. There you go. No big. I'm gonna remove it. Push this back, the rubber. Push it back like so. my wrench in there. No Diddy. Drive it out. So clean this. Pretty much. But then now, lube it, put it back. Make sure to go in and out. Goody, goody. Let's mount the brake pads. This is easy though. Just mount it like so. It's getting funny. And it happens because of right under the hardware, there's some rust. And that's why the brake pad doesn't go in all the way. So fix that, when you remove the hardware, clean it over, just grind it. Should be good. Let's try it again. Yes, this is good. So, let's try it again. Oh, let's push this thing up. Remove this hardware. Like that. Do the same here on top. should be good. Some brake cleaner. Mount this guy too. Let's see. It better work. There you go. This one. There you go. Gucci. Got the caliper. Put it there. Put the 14 bolts. Tight it. Snug it. Tight it good. Gucci. There you go. Alright, lower the car, put the tires and all that. Step on the brake. It's gonna be loose. I mean soft the first time. Then it's gonna start getting hard and harder. Pause. No oil. There you go. Now let's go under the hood. Right here where everything's beautiful. Check the brake fluid level. It's a little bit low though. If you need some more, right here it's gonna tell you what type. So this one would be that 3 or 4. Get your that 3 or that 4 fluid, put it there until you reach the max level, which is right here, and put the cap back. That's pretty much it. All right. Hope you like the video. Hope you enjoy. You know what to do with the subscribe, like, share buttons. Anything you want to say, put in the comment box. Any questions, put in the comment box. All right. Hope you like the video. It's me, Axtuo. Kaboom. I'm out. Clacking now. Yes, sir. Yeah.